This is Jessica from goodenoughandstuff.com. Today we'll be making pressed and dried flower frames. You will need a frame, flowers, cardboard, paper, heavy bowl, microwave, tweezers, double-sided tape, and glass cleaner. For quick dried flowers, make a flower sandwich like this: cardboard, paper, flour, paper, cardboard. Place your flower sandwich in the microwave with a heavy microwave-safe bowl on top. Microwave at half power for 30 seconds at a time until the flour is dry and feels papery. We dried some of the flowers you see here, but most of them are ones we bought online. If you want to use the same flowers, I will leave a link in the description below for my blog post on how to make pressed flower frames. There you will find more instructions, pictures, and a list of supplies and resources. Clean the inside of your frame to get rid of any smudges or fingerprints. If your frame has a top and a bottom like mine does, make sure you are aware of where the top is before you start laying everything out, and especially before you start taping it. 3 of my kids finished their designs and taped it all down and realized that they had done it sideways or upside down. So just double check to make sure before you start taping it that it's the direction you want it to go in. Now it's time to start adding the flowers. Use tweezers to pick up and move the flowers because they're so delicate and it's really easy to knock off all of the little leaves. It can be kind of difficult to get the tweezers under the flower because it's so paper thin. I found that if I just kind of pushed on one part of the flower, the other side would tip up just enough to grab it with the tweezers. Place your flowers and move them around until you're happy with the arrangement. One other thing to keep in mind is the thickness of the dried flower. Especially if you're using a double-sided glass frame like this, you want to make sure to put some of the thicker flowers you're thinking of using in the frame and close it to see if it will close before you tape them down or really get super into your design. Now it's time to stick the flowers down. To fix the flowers to the frame, you can use E6000 glue. Some people use hot glue. You can even use school glue or glue sticks. We used a double-sided tape because I didn't really want it to be messy since I knew I was going to be doing it with my kids, and the double-sided tape was great. Try and cut the tape small enough that it doesn't show around the flower or whatever you're taping down, and try not to touch the glass too much so you don't leave any fingerprints or smudges. And you're done! This project was a lot of fun. My kids loved it, I loved it, and it's so beautiful and we can enjoy it for a long time. I hope you try it, and if you like this video, give it a like and comment below and subscribe to my channel. Check out my website, goodenoughandstuff.com, for more easy recipes, simple crafts, and tips for a happy home. I'll leave the link in the description. You can also sign up for my weekly newsletter and get notifications when I release content and free ebooks. Thanks again for watching. Come back for the next video. I'll see you there.